class. So now that we have talked about different insect adaptations and what insects need to survive in different habitats, what we're going to be doing is creating a story based on the insect's life that you've already created. So I just want you to be able to explain the adaptations that you chose and why they fit the setting that you chose to help your insects survive. So the first thing you're going to do, we're going to go to drawisland.com. So open up your internet browser and just go to drawisland.com. And that should take you to this page, which is actually a really cool tool that you can use. So let's start off with a title, because everything we do needs a title. So you're going to write My Insect Life, or if you created a name for your insect, that's totally fine. And then you're going to need to say the habitat. So for the sake of an example, mine is just going to be the rainforest. But just pick whatever habitat you've already chosen. So we're going to start off by creating our insect. Remember, all insects have 3 body parts and 6 legs. So that can be the first thing you do. But not all of the legs have to be the same, right? So for one of my adaptations, I might make long legs like a cricket has, or a frog, to be able to jump far. So the important part about that is my explanation. So I'm going to go over here and click the text button, make a text box, and say long legs to jump. Alright? So what I'm really concerned about is your explanation. Then we're going to have to talk about transportation, eating, camouflage, and defense. So go through all of those, and since you've already made your bug, just remake the adaptations and explain them. So let's make this a little acorn. Actually, I don't want that to be there. Oh, don't delete the whole thing. Don't hit this button. That's not a good button. Alright, and my text box went away, so I'm going to have to make another one. Just give me 1 second. Long legs to jump. Perfect. So if there is an acorn in this rainforest, I will draw a little acorn. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it can be as symmetrical as you want it to be, but what I really care about is your adaptation. So acorns to eat. So that's one label, and for my insect, it's going to need large jaws to eat these acorns. So then, large jaws to eat acorns. Which is great. So as long as you have the drawing and the explanation, you'll be able to look at it kind of like a comic to be able to present it to the class, because that's what we're going to be doing next. You're going to print this out. So what you're going to do is go to this top little bar right here and just go to print. So it'll take you to the printing section. Don't really know. Oh, here we go. It's loading. Give it 1 second. Make sure you just pick the right printer. So change it. There should be one that says 207 Tyne Heart or something like that. Just pick that printer and you can use that one. Let's go back. How do I get out of this? No, just the cancel button. So it'll print it out for you, and then make sure you have your name on it. You can put that in a text box, or you could just write it with pencil, because you're going to be presenting your bug's life and telling the story of your insect's life and why it has these adaptations to a small group. So just don't forget to print it out and make sure you have all your labels there. I can't wait to see them. See you all soon.